Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of GoodBudget mobile app, the digital budgeting tool that brings the classic envelope and budgeting system straight to your phone and laptop. I'll walk you through a long overview of what GoodBudget is, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and we'll wrap up with a balanced conclusion on who this app is best for. Let's get started. GoodBudget is built on the traditional envelope budgeting system. It's the method where you take your money for the month and divide it into different envelopes for groceries, for rent, for transportation, for entertainment, for savings, and once an envelope is empty, that category is done until the next month. GoodBudget digitizes that entire structure. Instead of physical envelopes, you get virtual envelopes inside the app that you fill every month with the money you plan to spend. Now, what makes GoodBudget different from many modern budgeting apps is its focus on proactive planning, not passive tracking. The whole idea is to decide ahead of time what your money is supposed to do before the month begins. Instead of checking your bank account to see what you already spent, GoodBudget makes you plan what each dollar will go toward before you spend it. If you're someone who wants structure, who wants to intentionally assign money to categories, and who benefits from seeing exactly how much is left in each category in real time, then GoodBudget might be exactly the kind of system that you need. Now, let us talk about the main features of GoodBudget. Envelope budgeting. You can create envelopes for monthly expenses, irregular expenses, savings, goals, and even emergency funds. These envelopes show you at a glance how much money you've assigned and how much is left. Accounts. You can set up different accounts like checking, savings, or cash accounts. These accounts don't automatically monitor your full net worth. Instead, they support the envelope system by showing where the funds come from. Transaction tracking. Every time you spend, you log a transaction and choose which envelope the money comes from. This connects directly to the envelope balances, so you never lose track of how much you have spent. Device sync and shared budgets. One of the best features is real-time syncing across multiple devices. It's great for couples or families because if one partner buys groceries, it updates on your phone instantly. No surprises at the end of the month. Reports and spending trends. GoodBudget provides simple but effective charts that show spending patterns, category usage, and long-term trends. It's not the most advanced reporting system, but it gives you exactly the insights that you need to adjust your budget. Debt tracking. You can create envelopes specifically for debt payoff and track your progress. It's a clean and motivational way to manage loans or credit card balances. Manual entry with an option for bank sync. By default, GoodBudget relies heavily on manual entry, which some people love because it forces awareness and accountability. But if you want more automation, the paid version lets you sync with supported banks so transactions can import automatically. So what is the pricing of GoodBudget like? There's a free plan and there's a paid plan, which is the premium. The free is free forever. You get 10 regular envelopes and 10 more envelopes, one account, access to 2 devices, 1 year of history, debt tracking, and community support. Now with the premium plan, you get everything included in the free plan, plus automatic bank sync, and the envelopes are unlimited. The accounts are also unlimited. It costs $10 per month, but if you decide to do an annual payment, you get a discount and pay $80 per year. Now, what are the pros and cons of using the GoodBudget mobile app? First, the pros. It's very easy to understand. It's perfect for couples or shared households. It's not cluttered with unnecessary features, and it works across web and mobile. The premium option is affordable. How about the cons? The manual entry can feel slow, and it has limited automation on the free platform. It's not an all-in-one money dashboard, and the reporting is kind of simpler. So is GoodBudget worth it in 2026? Here's my honest and balanced take. GoodBudget is one of the best apps for people who want strict control over their spending. So if you're trying to stop impulse purchases, and if you want to be intentional with every dollar, or if you're budgeting with someone else and you want transparency, GoodBudget delivers that structure beautifully. But it's not for everyone. If you want heavy automation, international bank syncing, advanced analytics, or a full overview of your financial life in one app, GoodBudget will feel limited. It's designed for budgeting, just budgeting, not for managing your total financial ecosystem. So if you start with a free version and the envelope method clicks for you and you like the system, then you can upgrade to the premium version, which will absolutely be worth it, especially if you want automation or you budget with a partner. And that's it on the review of the GoodBudget mobile app. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore YNAB, Honeydew, and Mint. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.